Tesla bot job opening hints at progress toward production. A Tesla bot job opening hints that the company is making steady progress toward production. Which means Optimus is a little closer to becoming a common face at Tesla's factories. Tesla posted a job opening for a proto-production supervisor to manage and execute the company's actuator prototype production line for the Optimus humanoid robot. The proto-production supervisor will work closely with Tesla's manufacturing and design engineering teams. The person who fills the role will be responsible for providing direct feedback regarding the assembly and design of the actuators for the Tesla bot. Below are more of the proto-production supervisor's responsibilities. Tesla Bot Journal on X provided more context for the proto-production supervisor position. Production of prototypes will likely involve a low-volume line with the majority of the assembly being done manually. The goal is likely to iterate through multiple designs for each type of actuator and fine-tune the designs after subjecting them to both lab and real-world testing. Commented Tesla Bot Journal. During the Q2 2023 earnings call, Elon Musk forecasted that the first Optimus outfitted with Tesla-designed or production candidate actuators could be integrated and working by November. The first Optimus that will have all of the Tesla-designed actuators, sort of production candidate actuators, integrated and working should be around November-ish, the Tesla CEO said. And then, we'll start ramping up after that. In terms of when will it be able to do some useful things, like, we'll first be trying this out in our own factories and just proving out its utility. I think we'll be able to have it do something useful in our factories sometime next year, Musk predicted. Source: reposted and summarized from Maria Morano at Teslarati.